In the beginning, there was a word, and theologians have been debating it ever since. But let's simplify it today. The original Greek word for church is ekklesia. No, it's not just a fancy word to impress your friends at Bible study. Ekklesia literally means a gathering or assembly. You see, in ancient Greek, it had more to do with people coming together than with a building. Think of it as the early version of a group chat, but way more sacred. So when Jesus said, "I will build my ekklesia," he wasn't talking about four walls and a steeple. He meant a community of believers, a living, breathing congregation. Now here's a fun fact. Ekklesia was also used in a political context in ancient Athens. It referred to citizens gathered to discuss state affairs. So when early Christians adopted ekklesia, they were making a bold statement. This community is transformative, just like those political assemblies. Understanding ekklesia can give us a richer appreciation of what church really means. It's less about where you worship and more about who you worship with. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the Greek roots of church, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.